Many regions in India are facing severe water crisis, with pollution of water bodies being a significant factor. The laundry service industry is a notable contributor to water pollution. Each commercial laundry unit can consume 500 to 600 liters of water per batch, resulting in vast amounts of wastewater. This wastewater, often discharged untreated, contains detergents and chemicals that contaminate rivers, lakes, and groundwater. The pollution not only exacerbates water scarcity but also harms ecosystems and human health in both urban and rural communities. To address these challenges, Varuna offers a cutting-edge solution, our effluent treatment plant specifically designed for laundry wastewater. Varuna's advanced technology can recycle and reuse this wastewater, turning it into clean, potable water. This approach tackles both water scarcity and pollution. Join us as we explore how Varuna's effluent treatment plant works.
Hi, today we are in laundry washing unit. So I'll just show you how does laundry unit works and how much volume the generation of wastewater incurs in a laundry and how to sort it, that kind of a problem. So this is a machine, a big machine which works to wash the cloths. So this is an iron section. So this single unit will generate nearly around 500 to 600 liters of water. So as it runs on the batches every day, it will work nearly around 10 times. So nearly we can expect 6,000 liters of a wastewater generation from one unit. If one unit is generating per annum a batch of 600, for 10 times it works, it will be nearly around 6,000 liters. So now I'll show what will be or how does the output looks when you wash the cloths and the water which comes out from the washing unit. So this is an untreated raw water, and once after treatment from an ETP, so this is how the clarity of the water comes out, and this water you can reuse it for washing. So this water is too dangerous if you let out straight away to the environment without treatment. So as it contains a lot of contamination, you can see through a color itself for a better understanding. So for this kind of a problem, how you want the better way to sort out, I can just brief you in a little couple of seconds. So this is how you have to place an effluent treatment plant facility. So this will be in a collection tank. From the collection tank, water lifts within a restricted flow from here as water enters to an ETP unit. So it will completely treat it. So and it gets out in a filtered water. You can measure with a flow meter how much of volume you have used in a day from a wastewater. So with this you can achieve a lot of wastewater getting into an good environmental. Thank you. Have a good day.
By focusing on recycling and reusing laundry wastewater with Varuna's effluent treatment plant, we can reduce water wastage, cut down pollution, and build a sustainable future. Collaboration between Varuna, industries, and communities is crucial for implementing these solutions and ensuring access to clean, safe water for everyone. For more information, visit www.varunaeco.com.